how to make only your followers can comment on your posts on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easy and quick. First open TikTok now and then click on your profile here. After that click the storylines, then click privacy and here comments, and here select followers, and that's it. Just select followers and go back, it will be saved, and that's it. I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.